I asked ChatGPT to become a CEO and build the most profitable company you can build with just $1,000 and 1 human hour per day. It told me to start a digital product business by leveraging social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, and that I need to sell a product like a guide that can solve a problem in a market. But how do we create a guide? Go to ChatGPT and start by asking it to give you a topic in a niche that needs the problem solved. Once you have a title, you can then ask it to give you chapters for each section. Now you can go to OpenAI's playground where you'll be making long-form content pages for your ebook. Now, because OpenAI is on a credits system and we take into account that ChatGPT did mention ebook should be 30,000 words, it would cost us $3 for OpenAI to generate us a complete ebook. So how do we make good branding? You can ask ChatGPT to give you instructions on how to design the perfect ebook cover, and you can apply those steps with a free editing tool like Canva. So now how do we sell our finished product? You could upload the ebook to either Gumroad or Shopify, which will allow you to have a website and make sales. Lastly, how do we get traffic to make sales? You want to make educational content on Instagram and TikTok. This is the best way to grow any page.